Okay, this time we will proceed with the suggested format in research context. So I am providing you how to convert the results from the software, and of course, after generating the table, how to do the discussion and how to convert this one into a research output. So first thing to consider is this one. We have to have a title for our table. So in this example, so we have here performance of students in statistics tests. And after this, we have to have description. And this includes the name that we are expecting for the table and also the statistical tools to be used. So in here, the performance of students in statistics test is presented in table 1. So we will expect table 1. And it includes the distribution of scores, the frequency, so F, so here, as well as percentage or F%, so here. And after that one, okay, we're going to have the name of the table. So, table 1, performance of students in statistics test. And after that one, okay, the generated table earlier. So, we have this. Okay. So, this time, okay, you will be given tips on how to discuss the results of your statistical analysis. So, given this table, okay, what you're going to consider is you will identify the highest frequency with the highest percentage. Okay, to start with your discussion. So let's see this one. Okay, first statement. Okay, the first statement is as shown in table 1, so capital letter T, 10, this one, out of 24 or 41.7% of the students obtained a score in the range of 60 to 79, the statistics test which were described as high scores. Again, we have different ways to express, okay, statements, okay, our thoughts. So as long as it's formal, and you can consider also paraphrasing too. So this is what I can suggest, the first step, okay, the highest. And the next one, okay, you have to mention also other values included in the table. That is why we have here the next, okay, statement. This was followed by 6 or 25.0% of them with scores in the range of both very high and average since they are the same. Okay? 2 or 8.3% of them got low scores. This one. Okay, based on the legend. And none of them scored in the range of very low scores. So, with that, you have the idea that okay, from the highest, okay, most of them are actually performing more than half, more than passing. So the next thing to consider, which is very important, is the implication. So one implication will do, but if the panelists will ask you to provide more, you have to follow that one. So in here, I will only give one implication. So based on the result, this implies that most of them had a satisfactory or even above satisfactory performance in statistics tests. And based on this, we can come up with the literature. Related literature, at least 3 will do. Okay, so you can do that one. And that's for the expected research output.